Okay, I just made a deposit. Let's go look for some signal and make trade. I'll be right back. Okay, I just placed a trade for I think 40%. I'll be right back once it's done. Uh, it's not done yet, so I'll be right back once. Okay, trade has pulled through. Now my $50 is now $73. This is how easy it is, but you see, it's not that all easy. You need to learn. You need to learn how to get this done. I'm not just guest trading. I'm actually trading based on a given signal. So you need to learn how to generate that signal yourself first. Then you'll be able to make good profit. Uh, just one more trade, and I'll see you in another video. Okay, I just placed another trade. I may have to pause. When it's done, I'll be back. Okay, trade has pulled through. I guess I'm gonna do a few more trades. I'll be right back.